if she does everything she's capable of, I think that she can win this competition here. But really, just about 90% of that is going to happen within about the next minute and a half here on balance beam.
And that's what Marta is looking at right now. She is paying extra attention to this balance beam routine.
This is the skill she struggled on a couple weeks ago, right here. Very good. Giant skill right here. Backflip, full twist. Oh.
She's usually a little more solid on that one.
What gets your attention more, the slip up or her fighting through it?
Well, both actually, but then immediately afterwards, she second guessed herself on that leap.
And I think Gabby has done more routines in the workouts we've watched all week long. I mean, she has endless energy. Sometimes Marta says she has to go over to her coach, Liang Chao, and say, you know, slow down just a little bit, not too many more. She can't stop her, but she says that's the endurance you need to get through an Olympic Games.
Well, this is a good routine, and she's showing a lot of fight, but I've seen her do maybe 15 beam routines this week that are far superior to this. She is showing that she's a fighter, though, and she's not going to let a mistake get to her head and cause a catastrophe.
Just the dismount.
Well, it was good. Certainly going to keep her in the game, but
there's room for improvement.